Yo, what's up, shit? Yo, what's up, guys?
This is your boy, Rio.
Yo, what's up? Hey, chill. Oh, yo, guys. Yo, guys. Yo, like and subscribe, guys.
Let me show you guys a dance. I say, what?
Eat out.
I just say, yo.
That you're not gonna push that.
Oh,
I'm gonna push that, guys. Yo, guys.
Yo, look at Bruce Bad.
Yo, guys, I'm gonna show you how to fold the paper ball. You go like this.
Oh my God, I love you. Call me.
Okay, we go like fold it like this.
He's a sassy boca.
Yeah. We go like this. And we go like this. We one back, and we do like this. We do like this. We do like this.
Okay, so
you guys, we do like this. We do like this.
oh, come on, Papa.
We do like this. We do like this.
Okay, guys, here's a leaf. People want.
I want to show
I want to move out of the way. We need a less people, and then we fold it like. Hey, can you please restart? Can you please restart? Restart again. They didn't say nicely.
Guys, that video is from last year when my other friend called Atan was still here, guys. Can you please guys like and subscribe? I'm going to a hard time right now of grade 4. My other friend is in grade 4 and Atan himself is in grade 3, guys. We're having a hard time because he recently moved out. Me and my other friend Rihanna, we're having a hard time with each other.